Hi everyone, it's Sherry Carroll for SimonsSaysStamp.com with our monthly card kit. This one is called Choose Joy, and I also have some inspiration for you. We have something really special this month in this kit. We have two stamp sets. So they are both 4x6 stamp sets, and this first one is called Choose Joy. And this has a nice variety of spring type messages and even a gingham that you can repeat stamp to create an entire background. It has a lot of great messages along with some rain boots and flowers and leaves so you can put together your own arrangement. This next set is really Easter themed and also spring with a ducky in the rain and a bunny and also some rain boots with flowers and a selection of messages as well. We have included a couple of the Simon Says Stamp hybrid ink pads. These are Hollyhock and Wisteria, so really nice pink and a purple. We also have something really special. This is a first time for this. It's a Tonic Nouveau, and this is an aqua pen that is a nice glitter gloss, and in order to use that you need to remove that little yellow cap and then put the pen tip back together. Then you can squeeze this and push the product into the barrel and it will come down into the brush and you can start using it to add some glitter to your cards. Another fun item in this kit are some Pom Poms, and these are by Doris, and these will go really nicely with the bunny rabbit. You can add this to the tail of the bunny rabbit. I have a card example at the end of this video that I'll show you where I have used the Pom Pom for my card. We also have some of these sticker sheets, and these are Spring Market by Cartabella. There are two sheets. One is a beige color and the other is white, and they have a bunch of different messages and also garden themed images. These are really fun to put together for your spring themed cards. And now for the papers and cardstocks. We have a pack of 3 of the Simon Says Stamp pre-scored for folded note cards, and these are in cream and they match those stickers really nicely. And there are 12 double-sided 6x6 papers. These are actually a little bit bigger than 6x6, and these are by Cartabella. It also has all those spring and Easter themed colors and images. There are really great ones for backgrounds and also ones that you can cut up and put together as interesting elements for your cards. So those are by Cartabella, and you get 12 double-sided sheets. We also are including 3 envelopes. These are by Simon Says Stamp, and this first one is metallic cotton candy and lavender, and hopefully you can see the sheen. And we also have a khaki wood grain envelope, and I hope you can see that impression of the nice wood grain. Our 8.5 by 11 cardstocks this month are Desert Storm, the 110 Simon White, Green Leaf, Apple Green, and Cotton Candy. So that is our Choose Joy card kit from Simon Says Stamp with 2 stamp sets included and also a lot of fun goodies to put together for your cards. I have some inspiration coming up next, and this first one is by Debbie Hughes, and she has stamped and watercolored those rain boots with the flowers, and her colors are just gorgeous for her spring cards. This next one I have created, and I have stamped that bunny and used that pom-pom as the tail, and also used some of the pattern paper as the base for my card. And Laura has created a nice spring card where she's combined 3 of the stickers and put those on top of a couple of the pattern papers and used Desert Storm cardstock to create her card. I hope we've given you some inspiration for card making using our Choose Joy card kit from Simon Says Stamp. And as always, thanks so much for watching.